Basically, where I roam. Oh, Amore della Gia. There are many pigeons here. You see? Pigeons. Pigeons. Puma. Puma, here are your pigeons. You see? I am here. You see? Oh, pigeons of Puma. Amore, see? There are pigeons. Oh. There are many. Mini. In the Duomo, the cathedral is there, Amore. Oh, you see? There are many pigeons. Your pigeons, your 200 pigeons are here, huh? More than 200 pigeons you have are here. You see? There are many pigeons. Oh, one is here. Oh, pigeons everywhere. You see? Let's go there. You see, Amore, how many pigeons there in the this who is that? Who is that horse with horse? Puma, your pigeons are here. Oh, you see. And in the cathedral is there, oh, you see. That is Galleria. And the cathedral is here. See? The cathedral. When I have money, Amore, you come here in Italy. I will pay you ticket. Then you go to San Siro. From here, there is a metro. They call it the train under is metro. So from here, it's easy. This is you in front of the cathedral. So this is a Grand Milan. Gucci is there. Oh, Gucci. You see? And your pigeons are here. Oh. Are here your pigeons? You see how many? You cannot count the pigeons here. That's why I didn't upload to Lia Vientatino pigeons in Modena because I was planning to come here, no? So pigeons of Milano I upload in Lia Vientatino. You asked me why I upload in DeSantis, not in Lia Vientatino, because pigeons of Milan I upload here in Lia Vientatino channel. Okay, bye pigeons. I will go to the bank here. Front. Pigeons everywhere. You see how many pigeons? More, your pigeon is here. Pigeons is here. Katuwa, ano? Daming pigeons. All pigeons of Puma 33 is here, guys. You see, Amore della Zia. Amore della Zia, there are many pigeons. Pigeons everywhere. You see? Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. From Milan.